Welcome to 4008 West 138th Street in Leawood, Kansas. Phenomenal home, now on the market. 5 full bedrooms with a primary suite on the main level, 2 living areas, 2 dining areas, but an incredible lot. Come check this out. 2-story family room, vaulted ceilings, floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace right behind me, but we didn't talk about the kitchen yet. The kitchen is the showstopper. Brand new kitchen, brand new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and look at this island. One of the biggest islands you've seen lately. All of it with an amazing view of that backyard that I love. Typical Leawood, total tranquility. This lot, estate-size lot, is amazing. The landscaping is lush, the privacy is amazing, and you're gonna love the surroundings. Whether you want to entertain and just enjoy by yourself, you've got it. This one's awesome. Okay, so you've seen the inside, you've seen the outside, but don't forget the street appeal. Circle drive, front porch, lush landscaping. You might want to hang out on the front porch for all I know. This one's awesome.